I am the Frugal Gardener, and I am, where else? Back in my garden. It's an unusually quiet morning in the garden, and today the focus is on ginger. I usually plant ginger in the spring because it takes so long to grow. The last time I grew ginger, it took me 8 months. Depending upon who you talk to, there are people who will tell you that you can grow it in 6, some people say 9, but generally almost somewhere in the middle. So I'm getting a really late start since it's August. Now, a few years back, I planted ginger and I left it sit out, and temperature dropped below 50 and it was toast. So I'm definitely going to have to plant this in containers, and I'm definitely going to have to keep an eye on it in the fall and bring it indoors, maybe put it in the garage when it gets cold. Clearly that's not going to be a problem today with it being 80 already. So a couple of tips. This is store-bought ginger. I do not buy ginger from Walmart or any of those large supermarket stores. Basically because they are treated with chemicals and they have growth inhibitors to prevent you from getting this. Now I let this sit on my counter in the kitchen. I broke this up before I start the video because I wanted to plant one of these. Here's one. These are called rhizomes, and they need to be covered. This brown area here should not be exposed to the sun. They do not have to be this big, the shoots, before you plant them. It's just that in my case, they were doing well, so I let them go until they got this size here. And so at this point, I'm going to put these in the soil. You want them to be, again, you want them to be covered. You want very loose soil. The looser the soil, the better. This is about 20-25% compost. Why? Because, as I explained in a previous video, I had a bag of compost in the garage. It burst. So now I'm using it. Other than that, I have not added any nutrients. So I'm going to just take these. You want to plant them so that the rhizomes are facing up. So basically, you want this. I'm going to just give you an idea. This is, I'm doing a one-handed job, but you get the idea. You want this down in the soil, and you want to spread them approximately 8 inches apart. These should actually be a little bit further apart than what they are, but I don't want to use too many containers because I'm getting ready to start planting for my fall crop. So I don't really want to use a lot of containers, and this should work just fine. So water these, keep them watered. They like it hot. They come from a warm climate, and the key is not to let them dry out. I mean, also you want to have proper drainage, so that's important. They like it hot, 80, 85 degrees, full sun. But if it gets too hot, then the leaves will start to turn yellow, and you may have to move it into the shade. Hence, again, why I'm using a container. So I will plant these. I will keep an eye on them. I will keep them watered, and in about 7 months, 8 months, I will come back and show you the harvesting video from my ginger. That's it. I'm the Frugal Gardener. Please subscribe. Please hit the notification bell at the top right-hand corner. And remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you guys on the next video. Enjoy your day.